Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Students, in chapter money, we have already done topics write in words, write in figures, conversions, addition, subtraction and statement sums. Today, I will discuss multiplication and division topics with you. To understand these topics, let's take some examples. Example number 1. Multiply rupees 3 and 85 paise by 4. Students, while doing multiply in chapter money, we will leave this decimal for some time, and at the end again we will put this decimal in the answer. For this we will write down place of decimal. Now what is the meaning of place of decimal? Place of decimal means number of digits after the decimal. Now let's count how many digits are there after decimal. 1 and 2. So place of decimal is 2. Now this will become whole number 385 without decimal. So this is whole number. Now multiply 385 by 4. 4 5s are 20. So we will write 0 here and 2 carry over. Now 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 34. So 4 I will write down here and 3 here. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. So we will write here 15. Now students, we will put decimal in the answer. What was the place of decimal? 2. Now students, we put a dot after 2 digits from the right of the given number. That means 1 and 2. So we will put dot here, and in the starting we will write down rupees because statement was given in rupees. So answer should also be given in rupees. Let's take one more example. Multiply rupees 283 and 14 paise by 21. Again, what is the first step? First step is write down the place of decimal. That means count the number of digits after decimal. How many digits are there after decimal? 1 and 2. So place of decimal is 2. Now this number will become 28,314, whole number. Now let's do multiply by 21. First of all, we will multiply 1. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Now next turn is of 2. So first of all we will draw multiply sign. Now let's do multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 eights are 16. So 6 I will write here and 1 here. Now 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So I will write down 5 here. Next step is do addition. Now we will add the numbers. Now here 4, 1 plus 8 is 9, 3 plus 2 5, 8 plus 6 14, 4 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9 and 5 as it is. Now what was the place of decimal? 2. So students, we put a dot after 2 digits from the right of the given number. So 1 and 2. So we will put decimal here in between 5 and 9. And in the starting we will write down rupees symbol because statement was given in rupees. So answer should be in rupees. Now let's understand how to do division in chapter money. Example number 1. Divide 58 rupees and 35 paise by 5. Now students, rupees 58 and 35 paise will become the dividend. So it will comes under the divide sign and 5 will become divisor. So it will come outside the divide sign. Now first of all, on 5 table 5 comes or not? Yes, it comes and it comes on 1. 5 ones are 5. So below 5 I will write down 5. Next step is do minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. And in the next step we will bring 8 down. Now on 5 table 8 comes or not? Yes, it doesn't come. So we will take that number which comes on 5 table and less than 8, and that number is 5. 5 ones are 5. Next step is do minus. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now students, next turn is of decimal. Decimal will move upwards and this 3 or next number will come down. Now number is 33. On 5 table 33 comes? No. And number that is less than 33 is 30. On 5 table 30 comes on 6. 5 6 are 30. Next step is do minus. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now again this 5 will come down. So number is 35. On 5 table 35 comes or not? Yes. On 5 table 35 comes and it comes on 7. 5 sevens are 35. Next step is do minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So answer is 11 rupees 67 paise. So at the end we will write down answer. Answer is 11 rupees and 67 paise. Now Let's do one more example. Example number 2. Divide 322 rupees and 65 paise by 9. Now students, rupees 322 and 65 paise will become the dividend. So it will comes inside the divide sign, and 9 will become the divisor. So it will come outside the divide sign. Now let's do divide. First of all, we will take 3. On 9 table 3 comes? No. And on 9 table number that is less than 3 is 0, and it comes on 0. 9 zeros are 0. Next step is do minus. 3 minus 0 is 3. Next, bring 2 down. So new number is 32. On 9 table 32 comes? No. And the number that is less than 32 is 27. And 27 comes on 3. 9 3s are 27. Now next step is do minus. Now can I subtract 7 from 2? No. Then what I will do? 2 will borrow from 3, and 3 will become 2. And this 2 will become 12. Now do minus. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Now next turn is of 2. So bring 2 down. Now on 9 table 52 comes? No. And number that is less than 52, and that comes on 9 table, that is, yes, 45. And on 9 table 45 comes on 5. 9 5s are 45. Next step is minus. Again, can I subtract 5 from 2? No. Then that means 2 will borrow from 5. 5 will become 4 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now students, next turn is of decimal. Decimal will move upwards and 6 will come down. Now on 9 table 76 comes? No. And number that is less than 76 is 72. 9 8s are 72. Next step is minus. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 7 minus 7 is 0. Next turn is of 5. So bring 5 down. New number is 45. On 9 table 45 comes or not? Yes. On 9 table 45 comes, and it comes on 5. 9 5s are 45. So we will write here 9 5s are 45. Next step is do minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. That means Answer is rupees 35 and 85 paise. So we will write here answer ₹35 and 85 paise. So students, today we have learnt how to do multiply and divide in chapter money. I hope now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent to you in your SNAP homework. But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links that are already mentioned in your SNAP homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.